Hi everybody, my name is Dominique for all of the new people tuning in. I am so grateful to have all of you guys watching. So this video is dedicated to Olaplex. I have had a lot of you write into me wanting to know if I've tried it, whether or not I like it if I did try it, and if it would be suitable for relaxed hair. So Olaplex has been on my radar, I would say, for the past 2 years or so. I wasn't quite sure what it was, and I was definitely not sure if you could use it on relaxed hair. And I would say last summer, I had my first setback. I keep meaning to film a video about this. It wasn't like I've had lots of setbacks hair-wise in my life, but this was the first setback that I'd had since I started this hair journey. So basically what happened is every year my blog is growing and growing, and last year was a banner year for me. I was attending a lot of events, I had a lot of great opportunities, therefore I was wearing my hair down a lot and abusing it with heat. So I noticed at the end of the summer my hair looked a little dry and lifeless, and it didn't feel like it normally did. So I cut off a few inches and I scaled back. I went back to basics. So I was always good with deep conditioning and always good with moisturizing my hair every day. But I stopped using heat and I started doing more protective styles. Hey Reese. And I started doing more protective styles, which is basically, you know, my favorite, which is a low bun. And my hair started bouncing back. So I'm really happy at that. But when Sephora started carrying Olaplex, I thought it was only carried in salons. And then during the Sephora sale, I saw that it was on the website, so I ordered it up, but I hadn't used it until now. So I thought I would give it a try and document the whole process for you guys to see, and then determine whether or not it's worth you trying it for yourselves. But before I get into the process of how I used it on my own hair, I just wanted to tell you guys a little about Olaplex. So I wasn't quite sure myself what Olaplex is exactly, and if you read the label, it just says Olaplex Hair Perfector No. 3 repairs and strengthens all hair types. So I did a little research on the internet and I found this great article on cultbeauty.co.uk. And they broke down what exactly Olaplex is and how it helps your hair. So I'm just going to read it quickly. So Olaplex basically works on a molecular level, and it seeks out broken bonds in the hair which are caused by chemical, thermal, and mechanical damage. And it repairs and restores compromised hair to its former glory. Yeah, that's just about it. So it's supposed to repair the disulfide bonds in hair. I'm no chemist. I don't really know what that means. I felt that my hair could use a little boost after I treated it badly last summer, so yeah, I wanted to give it a whirl. So Olaplex works to protect your hair from chemical damage, so coloring your hair, perming your hair. The Olaplex No. 3 is supposed to be hugely popular. I'm excited to try it. A girlfriend of mine who's actually Persian, who has similar hair to mine, which is thick and coarse, she used it to repair damage from bleaching her hair, and she absolutely loves it and swears by it, and her hair looks amazing. So yeah, I ran it by my hairstylist. She said that it was okay to use and would probably be a really great idea to repair any damage. So I dove right into it and used it on my hair yesterday when I washed my hair. So I'm just going to show you the process now and the results, and I will be right back. So I just got out of the shower and I have wet my hair. The instructions on the Olaplex bottle say to apply to damp towel dried hair. Hold on. Dog. So the instructions on the Olaplex state that you're supposed to apply the product to damp towel dried hair, but I've been reading reviews that it doesn't work as well on on towel dried hair, so I'm gonna leave it a little wetter than usual. The instructions also say to use a generous amount from scalp to end, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply that now. And I'm supposed to leave it on for 10 minutes, but I think I'll leave it on a little longer. So yeah, let's go ahead and get this done. Okay, so I've just applied the Olaplex to my hair. I'm gonna leave it on, I think, for about 20 minutes and go and do some stuff around the house. I have just secured it with a crappy little scrunchie I have. After the 20 minutes is up, I'm gonna come upstairs and wash and deep condition my hair as I normally do. And then I'll air dry it, and I think I will flat iron it. I've been doing a lot of wash and go buns because I wanted to give my hair a break from all of the heat, but I just want to see the full results of the Olaplex, and I want to see what my hair will be like after I flat iron. I've been watching a lot of Mo Knows Hair. This is one of my favorite hair care YouTubers. She's like a walking encyclopedia of hair care. And what she does is every time she flat irons her hair, she gives her hair a good protein treatment. And frankly, I have been looking for a really good protein treatment for like a year now, and I haven't really found one I like. So once I'm done styling my hair, I'm gonna hit up Sally Beauty Supply and see what they have. And yeah, I'm gonna flat iron my hair, wear it straight for a week, and then do a good protein treatment. So I'll film another video on how I do that. So yeah, I'm excited to see how this goes. Okay, so what did I think of Olaplex? Personally, I thought it was fantastic. My hair feels amazing. It feels really soft. So I'm really glad I didn't use up the whole bottle because it cost me $38, which is on the expensive side. And when I wash my hair again this coming weekend, I'm gonna use the other half of it. So yeah, my hair feels fantastic. I think this would be a really great addition to any hair care regime, especially if you're trying to get your hair back on track after a setback. After using the Olaplex, my hair was tangle-free. It felt so silky, soft, and smooth in the shower, and it still does. I'm really happy with it. I would say this is a big recommend. I think on top of the regular maintenance that relaxed hair requires, like deep conditioning, daily moisturizing, wrapping your hair at night in a silk scarf, this is definitely something that everybody should try out and add to it. So here, check this out. Mama got some glasses. I cannot read, and the writing on the back of this thing is so tiny. So I just wanted to read you guys the ingredients. I can't tell if there's silicone in this, but there's definitely alcohol. But yeah, the first ingredient is water, and then it goes into all of these crazy chemicals. So bis-aminopropyl diglycol demaleate, propylene glycol, cetyl alcohol, sulfate. Okay, I'm just going to stop there because the rest of them are crazy. There's aloe in it, panthenol, tocopherol, jojoba, and these are all great, really great moisturizing oils that are beneficial for hair, especially relaxed hair. So I'm glad that, you know, there's that in it. I'm not well versed on chemicals in hair care products that are really detrimental to hair. I myself, I always used products that had silicones in them and never had a problem, but I'm trying to be more educated about what I put into my body, what I put on my body, and I want to really know what are the best products that I should be using on my hair to get the most out of healthy hair. So I've been using a lot of products that are a bit more on the natural side, so a lot of Shea Moisture stuff, I use a lot of products sent to me from Malachite and Elephant, a wonderful Black-owned business that specializes in more natural and organic products. So yeah, but all of that being said, I did quite enjoy this. Anyways, have you used Olaplex number 3? What did you think? Did it help your hair? Did you have a major setback? Tell me about it. I'd like to see and learn how you got over your setback, if you got over your setback or not, the products you use to get your hair back on track. I would love to know. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, give it the thumbs up. Don't forget to check out my Instagram at dominique.baker. I have a little treat coming up for you guys too. I'll be posting 2 YouTube videos this week because I'll be collaborating with one of my favorite YouTubers, Drea Denise. So you will see that collaboration coming up this Thursday on Valentine's Day. How timely. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to let me know whether or not you liked Olaplex 3. So I will catch you guys this Thursday in the next video. Thanks for watching.